okay. Just a little update on what I'm up to these days, which is not a lot. Super windy, loads of rain, so kind of just repairs and making good and all that. So yeah, this is what I've been doing so far. So first thing, I've done a little refurb, well not really a refurb, just give it a little spruce up, is the Buster. Just give it a lick of paint, tidy it up. It was a bit rusty and yeah. So I had a bit of paint left over, so that's made it look a bit better. And now I'm just on the bale trailer. I just put some new LED lights on it, and just put a few new boards on. One or two boards here and there, what were about shot. I've done that. Give it a paint up, and that'll do for another few years. Right, so it's Friday 18th of Feb, and howling winds outside, so kind of inside doing a bit more repair work, getting ready for the spring. So yeah, today just changing points on here. So yeah, putting some new points on where it needs them, and reversing the other ones. And then the other job I've got to do, which is not a great job. So yeah, on the rollers, I don't know if you can see very well, got all the scrapers, which they all need reversing, and because they've not been done for so long, I've got, what is there, I think 26 on each one, and they've all got 2 bolts in, and they won't undo, they're all seized on, so I've got to cut them all off. Yes, that's a bit of a pain of a job, but there you go. What else can you do in this lovely weather? Right, I've got a big chunk of the scrapers off. Done all the back ones, and just started on, done about a quarter of the ones in here, but it's a little bit awkward getting in there to do it. So yeah, I keep doing a few, having a break and doing a few more. Sound. So a bit of hay delivery today. Saturday the 19th, I think. Oh, it's not easy doing this with one hand. Wind's died down today, and now it's raining. Still a bit windy, but it's not as bad as yesterday, which is good. But it's, yeah, chucking it down now. I've been out and done a few this morning, and then just this one, and then 2 more after this.